Hello, everyone. In life, there are special moments that happen in just the blink of an eye. Sometimes so unbelievable that if they weren't captured on camera, no one would believe they were real. From dangerous incidents to fascinating natural phenomena. Click the subscribe now and witness the unimaginable. Sheets of corrugated iron flew everywhere. 3 men ran to gather them up. The strong wind nearly claimed their lives as they tried to work. Dashcam footage filmed in the city of Harbin in Heilongjiang province captured the SUV drives off collapsed bridge. According to reports, 2 vehicles had fallen off the bridge. Emergency response measures were later put into place, and that portion of the road has since been blocked off. Potholes appearing on asphalt roads are usually caused by weak soil, heavy rain, flooding, and poor design and construction quality.
Oh man, look at that. That's coming down right on the road.
Is that an avalanche? Holy, it's crossing!
Yeah, hang on.
An avalanche buried a car on a mountain road.
We're going through. Stay calm.
Massive landslide on Chandigarh Shimla. National highway, the landslide killed over 40 people in the Mandi district. The landslide blocking both lanes and leaving hundreds of vehicles on either side of the road stranded. A house in Hoa Binh province, Vietnam, was hit by rocks that slid down from the mountain due to the earthquake in Hanoi on the morning of March 25th. Landslides have become a terrifying prospect for those traveling at the foot of mountains. Disaster can strike anywhere and at any time.
Whoa!
The main causes of this danger are heavy rains and earthquakes, which lighten the soil and rocks on the mountains, making them easier to slide down. Human activities also contribute to the increased risk of landslides through deforestation, quarrying, and construction. During a storm in Tampa, Florida, on July 1st, 2022, Mikhail May Whalen decided that it would be a cool idea to try to get a video of the lightning as her family caravan down the highway. Little did she know that the video she took would capture the lightning striking the truck in front of her, a truck that her husband and 3 children were in. When lightning discharges, its current intensity reaches 300,000 amperes, and its voltage is 126 million volts. Lightning can reach temperatures of 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times the temperature of the sun's surface. When outdoors during a thunderstorm, to avoid the risk of being struck by lightning, seek safe shelter. Stay away from tall trees, metal objects, and water, minimize contact with the ground, and absolutely do not take shelter under trees, tents, or near power poles or power lines. The moment Typhoon Yagi made landfall in Haikou City, Hainan Province, China, in September 2024.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Wind so strong it rolled
Oh
a camper.
no.
The corrugated iron roofs of buildings were ripped off when Typhoon Yagi struck. A container house was blown around like a toy by the wind. During the heavy rain and strong winds, many signs and corrugated iron roofs of houses were blown away onto the road, causing panic among many motorcyclists. A tropical depression, after approaching southern Japan, has strengthened into a typhoon with the international name Ling Ling, with maximum wind speeds of level 8 and gusts of level 10. A very severe storm hit Dubai, causing widespread disruption and damage. Heavy rains and storms have affected the United Arab Emirates, causing widespread destruction. Videos shared on social media show roofs being blown away, posing a danger to people in the city center. The storm made landfall on Florida's west coast Wednesday night with maximum sustained winds of 205 kilometers per hour, reaching Category 3 on the 5-level Saffir-Simpson scale. Strong gusts of wind ripped off the corrugated iron roof during Typhoon Yagi. I was amazed to witness the phenomenon of the River of Rocks in Terrible Gully, near Canterbury, New Zealand. A portion of a flank on National Highway 415 in Arunachal Pradesh caved in after heavy rainfall. From raging storms to lightning strikes and roaring floods, these moments remind us how fragile human life truly is against the forces of the earth. As we witness these incredible scenes, may we learn not only to respect nature's strength, but also to protect it, so future generations can live in harmony with the world that both creates and humbles us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.